Namaste. Prepare yourself. Stanga opening mantra. Samastiti. Vande Gurunam Charanarvinde Sandarsita Swatma Sukhavabodhe Nisreyase Jangalika Yamane Samsara Halahala Mohashante Abahu Pursakaram Sankhyachakrasidharinam Sahasra Sirsam Svetam Pranamami Patanjalim Hold on for a second. Simple standing prayer pose. Ekam inhale, dve exhale, trini inhale head up, chatwari jump back, pancha inhale, set, exhale, one, two, three, four, five. Sapta inhale, jump forward. Asto exhale. Nava inhale, hands up. Samastiti. Ekam inhale. Dve exhale. Trini inhale, head up. Chatwari jump back. Pancha inhale. Set, exhale. One, two, three, four, five. Sapta inhale, jump forward. Asto exhale. Nava inhale, hands up. Samastiti. Last one. Ekam inhale. Dve exhale. Trini head up. Chatwari jump back. Pancha inhale. Set, exhale. One, two, 3, 4, 5. Saptajam inhale, Asto exhale, Nava inhale, hands up, Samastiti. Sunset is B. Ekam inhale, Dvi exhale, Trini inhale, head up, Chatwari jump back, Pancha inhale, set, exhale, Sapta right leg hands up, inhale, Asto exhale, Nava inhale, Dasa exhale, Ekadasa inhale, left leg hands up, Dwadasa exhale, Trayodasha inhale, Chaturdasa exhale, hold, don't move. Look your navel, once again 5 breathing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Panchadasa inhale, jump forward, Sodasha exhale, Saptadasha inhale, hands up, look your thumb, Samastiti. Ekam inhale, Dvi exhale, Trini inhale, head up, Chatwari jump back, Pancha inhale, set, exhale, Sapta right leg inhale, hands up, Asto exhale, Nava inhale, Dasa exhale, Ekadasa left, inhale, hands up, Dwadasa exhale, Trayodasha inhale, Chaturdasa exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Panchadasha inhale, jump, Sodasha exhale, Saptadasha inhale, hands up, Samastiti. Last one. Ekam inhale, Dvi exhale, Trini inhale, head up, Chatwari jump back, Pancha inhale, set, exhale, 7 right leg inhale, hands up. 8 exhale. 9 inhale. 10 exhale. 11 left inhale, hands up. 12 exhale. 13 inhale. 14 exhale. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Panchadasha jump inhale. 16 exhale. 17 inhale, hands up. Samastiti. Padangusthasana. Ekam inhale, hold your toe, big toe. 2 exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Grahini inhale, exhale, hold. Padahastasana. Inhale, ekam. 2 exhale. Neck straight, length your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trini inhale, exhale. Samastiti. Stand up, close your feet. Uttita Trikonasana, 3 feet only. Ekam inhale, right leg back. 2 exhale, hold your right big toe. Hastagra drishti, look your upper hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Training inhale. Chatwari exhale, left side. Hastagra drishti. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pancha inhale. B. 2 exhale, left hand. Cross your right ankle. Look your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trini inhale. Chatwari exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pancha inhale. Samastiti. Uttita Parshakonasana. Ekam right leg back. Inhale. 2 exhale. behind. Look your legs palms. 1, back side leg strong. 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 knee inhale. Chatwari left side exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pancha inhale. B. Dve exhale. Left elbow. Cross your right knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 knee inhale. Chatwari exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pancha inhale. Samasthiti. Prasarita Paduttanasana A. Ekam inhale. Dve exhale. Drop your hands. Keep your parallel. Inhale, head up. 3 knee exhale, head center. Elbow parallel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chatwari inhale, head up. Exhale. Pancha inhale. Relax. B. Ekam inhale, hand shoulder level. Come starting position. Dve exhale. Again inhale. 3 knee exhale. Head center. Top your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chatwari inhale, stand up. Exhale. C. Ekam inhale. Dve exhale, interlock behind. Again inhale. 3 knee exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chatwari inhale. Exhale. D. Inhale, Ekam inhale. Dve exhale, hold your toe. Inhale, head up. 3 knee exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chatwari inhale up, head up. Exhale. Pancha inhale, Samasthiti. Parsha Uttanasana, Ekam, hand back prayer pose, reverse. Dve, exhale, touch nose and forehead. If you can, touch your chin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 knee inhale, left side, Chatwari exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pancha inhale, Samasthiti. Pincha Mayurasana, Ekam inhale, raise your hand. Dve, exhale. 3 knee inhale, head up. Chatwari, jump back. Pancha inhale, Sat, exhale. Sapta, jump, exhale. Place forearms parallel toward each other on the ground. Asto, inhale, lift up your leg. Pincha Mayurasana, 5, breathe. Gaze your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nava, jump back. Dasa, inhale. Ekadasha, exhale. Karandava Asana. Sapta, jump forward, balancing on straight arms. Exhale, place forearms parallel toward each other on the ground. Asto, inhale, lift up your leg. Once again, Pincha Mayurasana. Fold leg in a lotus position and lower your knee toward. Nava, exhale, come down. 5, breathe. Gaze your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dasa, inhale up. Roll up all the way against into Pancha Mayurasana. Gaze your nose. Ekadasa, jump back. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Dvadasha, inhale. Triyodasha, exhale. Chaturdasa, jump. Panchadasa, exhale. Samasthiti. Mayurasana. Ekam, inhale, look up. Dvi, exhale. 3 knee inhale. Chatwari, jump back. Pancha Mayurasana. To the body, balance the weight evenly on your elbow. Pancha, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set, inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Sapta, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Asto, jump forward. Nava, exhale, take your head deep between the arm. Samasthiti. Nakrasana. Ekam, inhale, raise your arms. Dve, exhale. Trini, inhale. Chatwari, jump back. Pancha, jump forward 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back please. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Set, inhale. Sapta, exhale. Asto, jump forward. Nava, exhale. Samasthiti. Vatayanasana. Ekam, inhale, right leg, half lotus. Lock with right hand. Dve, exhale, both hands down to ground. Trini, inhale, head up. Chatwari, jump back. Don't drop your body. Pancha, inhale. Set, exhale. Sapta, jump. Lower down, left foot point out, right knee next to the left foot. Take right arms over your left arms. Interlock the arms. Raise them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Asto, up. Nava, Chatwari, jump back. Dasha, inhale. Ekadasha, exhale. Change your leg please. Use your right hand. Dwadasa, jump again. Opposite side. Now this time lower down, right foot point out, left knee next to the right foot. Take left arms over the right arms. Interlock your arms. Raise them up again. 1, 2, little bit push hip forward. Go higher as you can. 2, 3, 4, 5. Trayodasha, lift into balance up. Chaturdasha, exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Panchadasha, Urdhvamukha Svanasana. Shodasha, Adhomukha Svanasana. Saptadasha, jump. Astadasha, exhale. Take back your hand. Catch your toe. Ekonamsadi, inhale. Exhale. Vimsadi, inhale. Samasthiti. Parighashana. Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale. Trini, inhale, head up. Chatwari, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Set, exhale. Sapta, jump. Extended left leg wide to the side. Well, inhale, hand to the waist, straight back. Then take left hand to the right knee. Asto, exhale, left hand grab the inside of the left foot. 5 breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now sit up, hand to waist, exhale. Dasa lift up, Ekadasa Chatwari, Dwadasha inhale, Triyodasha exhale, Chaturdasha jump left side. Inhale, opposite side, Panchadasha exhale. Right hand grab the inside of the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shodasha inhale, sit up, hand to waist again. Exhale, place hand on the floor, lift. Saptadasha inhale. Astodasha Chatwari. Ekonava Vimsadayi inhale. Vimsadayi exhale. Gomukhasana. Saptajam, knee straight. Asto exhale. Bend both legs, take right knee over the left close heel under your buttock. Take hands around the right knee, chin to chest, straight back. 5 breath. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Asto exhale. Gomukhasana B. Nava inhale. Take right arms up, left arms down. Grab hands behind your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Place hand on the floor. Dasa inhale up. Ekadasa Chatwari. Dwadasha inhale. Triyodasha exhale. Chaturdasha jump left side. Exhale, sit down. Inhale, straight leg. Once again bend, come to Gomukhasana. Panchadasha exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shodasha inhale. Take left hand up, right arms down. Grab hand behind your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shodasha inhale. Exhale. Saptadasha inhale up. Astadasha exhale. Ekonava Vimsadi inhale. Vimsadi exhale. Supta Urdha Pada Vajrasana. Sapta Jantru. Lay down. Asto, inhale, both leg lift. Exhale, right foot in lotus position. Take right hand behind your back, grab the right foot. Exhale, roll up. Now inhale, balance on your buttock. One, two, three, 4, 5. Exhale. Dasa, inhale, lift up. Ekadasa Chatwari. Dwadasa, inhale. Trayodasha, exhale. Chaturdasha, jump. Sit, exhale, lay down. Panchadasa, inhale, lift your both leg. Exhale. Now this time left foot lotus position. Take left hand behind your back. Lock. Shodasha, inhale, roll up. Exhale. One, two, three, 4, 5. Exhale. Saptadasha, inhale up. Astodasa Chaturanga Dandasana. Eka Navavimsadi Adho Shvanasana. Vimsadi, exhale, Adho Mukha Shvanasana. Mukta Hasta Sirsasana A. Sapta. Jump. Asto, inhale, lift straight your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nava, exhale, Chaturanga. Dasha, inhale. Ekadasha, exhale. Mukta Hasta Sirsasana B. Sapta, jump. Asto, inhale. Toes point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nava Chatwari, jump back. Dasha, inhale. Ekadasha, inhale. C. Sapta. Jump. Exhale, knee down, set up your arms in place. Please hit into the floor, draw a straight leg towards you. Asto, inhale, lift straight leg. 1, 2, elbow straight. 3, 4, 5. Nava Chatwari. Dasa, inhale. Ekadasha, exhale. Baddha Hasta Sirsasana A. Sapta, jump. Jump forward, balancing straight arms. Exhale. Interlock your finger. Asto, inhale. Lift leg straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Navachatvari. Dasha inhale, Ekadasha exhale. Baddhahasta Sirsasana B, Saptajam. Lock your hand front side. Asto inhale up. 1, 2, 3, 4, lift hip. 5, Nava Chaturanga Dandasana. Dasha inhale, Ekadasha exhale. Baddhahasta Sirsasana C, Saptajam. Forearms. Asto inhale, lift your leg. 1, 2, toes point. 3, 4, 5. Lower down slowly. Nava exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Dasha inhale, Ekadasha exhale. Baddhahasta Sirsasana D, elbow balance. Saptajam. Exhale. Prepare yourself. Asto inhale, lift straight leg. 5, breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Navachatvari, jump back. Dasha inhale, Ekadasha exhale. Urdhva Dhanurasana, Saptajam. Lay down. Asto, prepare. Bend your knee, hand back under your shoulder. Nava inhale, rise. Head back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dasha exhale. Walk hand forward. Come again. Up. Nava inhale up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dasha exhale, little in more. Hands enter. Again come. Last one. 1, 2. Knee little close, come parallel. 3, 4, 5. Dasha ups. Inhale, stand up. If you cannot, you can lay down. Samastiti. Drop back. prayer position. Go back, inhale, exhale down. Inhale, slowly come prayer pose, Samasthiti. Second time. Inhale, go back, exhale, elbow straight, drop hand, inhale up, come to prayer pose, Samasthiti. Now last one, steady yourself. If you possible, drop hand. If you can, directly go near ankle, closer or lock, catch. Inhale, exhale, any position as far as you can place. 5 breathe. 1, 2, little knee straight. 3, 4, 5. Dasha, inhale, come to prayer position. Palm on your waist. Exhale, Samasthiti. Paschimottanasana. Ekam, inhale. 2, exhale. 3, inhale. Chatvari, Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha Adha Mukha Svanasana. Set Adho Mukha Svanasana. Paschimottanasana. Sapta, jump through, leg straight forward. Asto, catch your wrist. Exhale, fold in, drop your chest, drop your chin. 1, 2, 3, 4, relaxing your breath. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now inhale, head up, exhale. Dasha, lift up. Ekadasha, jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Dwadasha, inhale. Triyodasha, exhale. Ardha Mukha Svanasana. Salamba Sarvangasana. Sapta, jump through. Exhale, lay down flat. Asto, inhale, lift your leg, shoulder strand. 1, gaze your toe. 2, 3, 4, don't move your leg. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Halasana. Asto, exhale. Lower your leg to point it. 1, interlock your finger. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, lift your hip. 7, palm together. 8. Karna Pidasana. Asto, exhale. Bend your knees, cover your ear closer. Hand position same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nava Urdhva Padmasana. Lift your leg straight. Hold it into lotus. Resting your knee, palms on your hands. 1. Spine straight, elbow straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pindasana. Nava exhale, lower down, knee beside your ear. Catch your wrist or catch your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Matsyasana. Nava exhale, down your spine, drop your hip, lift your chest, support your elbow, head back, catch your toe, keep your arms straight. 1, 2, kiss your nose. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Uttana Padasana. Nava inhale. Extend your leg. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale. Dasa Chakrasana. Leg behind your head, rolling back. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Ekadasha inhale. Dwadasha exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Satta, prepare headstand for Sirsasana. Headstand. Asto, inhale, lift up your leg. Get your leg to point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Half bend. Now exhale, lower the leg 90 degree toe point. 1, gaze your nose. 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep your leg one place, don't move. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dasa inhale, starting position, leg up. Exhale, slowly lower down, sitting on your knee, and hip drop comfortably your heel. Balasana, child pose, hand back. Ekadasha exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Dwadasha inhale, Paryodasha exhale, Baddha Padmasana. Sapta jump through, straight leg forward. Asto, take a lotus pose, Padmasana. Right leg first, wrapping the arms, left leg. Yoga Mudra. Nava exhale, folding forward. Gaze your nose, drop your head and possible drop your chin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Asto, inhale coming up. Extend the arms. Palm place on your knee. Keep your Gyan Mudra position. Chin down, lower belly in. 1, 2, pelvis straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Utbuddhi. Nava inhale, lift up, gaze your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, lower down. Dasa, inhale, lift up. Ekadasa, jump back. Dwadasa, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Triyodasha, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Exhale. Chaturdasha, L jump. Panchadasha, exhale. Shodasha, inhale. Samastiti. Lay down. Support your elbow. Relax completely. Thank you for your practice. Keep practicing, guys. See you soon with another lesson. Take care. Namaste.